Hello students, very good to see you all of you. As you are aware that we were discussing about the elimination method in our previous classes, we will explore, we will follow up the same question, some of the question regarding the elimination, as well as today we will learn a new topic of the chapter, that is substitution method. Substitution method, okay? So let's first of all discuss some of the question of the elimination method itself. Okay. A question is given to students, that is 1 by 3x 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus. I hope I have discussed this question in our previous class. So let it be as it is. Let's see another question. Hello students, it's all very good to see you all of you once again. As you all know that we have discussed about the linear equation in two variables in our previous classes. Today we will follow up the same topic. We will discuss some of the more questions related to our elimination method. Okay, let's see our question, student. Ax minus by, the question is ax minus by equal to a square minus b square and x by a plus y by b equal to 2. Here your question, student. Let it be equation 1, it as equation 2. See, what we have to do, we have to choose first of all the term which we want to eliminate. Basically, I used to take the term y to be eliminated. So I will make sure that the value of the term y will get equal first of all. So here just observe the student. Here in the numerator, in this equation number 1, the coefficient of y is your b. Just multiply it with b. Okay. And here in the denominator we are having the b, student. Okay, just multiply it also with 1 by b. Clear? And simply we can multiply this term with b square. We can obtain the b. Since if here we take the value b square, so b and b square will get cancelled. One b is left. That we will have by. Either we can use that or we can use this. Clear? So now see, sign is just opposite. So what we will do? Equation 1 into 1 by b plus equation 2 into b. Clear? So it will result in a by bx minus b by by equal to a square minus b square by b by b. Clear? Here also we will have bx by a plus by by b and it will be 2b. Clear? The value will get cancelled out and here we will have ax by b plus bx by a, the square will get cancelled out. Here we will have a square by b minus b plus 2b. Okay. Now we will take the LCM. It will result in AB. Here a square x plus b square x, a square by b plus b, that's equal to, take the LCM, b a square plus b square. Here take the beta x common, so here we will have a square plus b square by ab equal to a square plus b square by b. The value gets cancelled out. Here b will also get eliminated. Therefore x equal to a. We have obtained the value of x equal to a. We will substitute this value in either of the equation number 1 or equation number 2 to obtain the value of y. So suppose if I substitute this value in equation 1. Here equation 1 is putting value in equation 1. The equation 1 is student ax minus by equal to a square minus b square. So in equation 1, if we will substitute the value, we will have a into a minus by a square minus b square. It will result in a square minus by a square minus b square. A square cancelled out. Here minus by equal to minus b square. Minus minus cancel, b square b cancel, y equal to b. So finally we have obtained x equal to a and y equal to b. This is your solution, student. So we can solve some of the question. I am just discussing the elimination method from the last 3 classes itself. So just in order to make you understand, make you clear that you could easily learn about the elimination method. Okay, I hope now you can easily solve your question. If somewhere you get the doubt, you can query me your question either inbox. You very well know how to mention a question, how to ask a question. I hope you will definitely do the thing that whatever I will suggest to you. Okay. Now let's conclude the topic of elimination today. Now we will discuss the question finding the value of x and y, finding the value of variable using substitution method. Okay, we will learn to solve the question using substitution method. Means now we have studied, we have discussed 2 types of methods. One is elimination, and your first one was your graphical, second was your elimination, and now we are going to talk about today now about the substitution method. Substitution method, okay, means we will do the, let us take the same question for the substitution, okay. So what is done in the substitution? Let us discuss first of all that. This substitute means what? We have to replace the term with other term. Means suppose you are sitting somewhere in your bench and someone comes there, just at that moment I tell you, oh, please get aside from here, let him sit over here. When you get aside and the person sit over there, means that person substituted that place. He had taken that place where you were sitting. So we can say that this process is known as the substitution method. Means in this question also we will do the same thing. We will substitute the value, we will replace the value. How? Let's see. Consider it as equation 1 and it as equation 2. From this equation itself, student, you can substitute any value in the equation. Let's see. From equation 1, we have ax minus by equal to a square minus b square. Just find either the value of x either the value of y from this equation, and that value that you will obtain on solving this, just substitute that value in equation number 2. Suppose I take the value of x over here. For that, what we need, ax equal to, we can write a square minus b square, it will be plus by, and x equal to a square minus b square plus by by a. This is the value of x that I have obtained from the equation number 1, and this value we will substitute in equation number 2. So putting value of x in equation 2. The equation 2 is your x by a plus y by b equal to 2. At the place of x, we will substitute this value, student. Okay, so we have a square minus b square plus by by a, and in the denominator we are having x. No doubt here, student, in the denominator we are having a, not x, since we have obtained the value of x over here. Okay, clear? So here just observe the things. X, the value of x we are having a square minus b square plus by, a square minus b square plus by, and in the denominator we are having the a. And from earlier itself, here also we are having the value of a. So a into a, we will have a square plus y by b equal to 2. Okay. Now see, student, what we will do, we will take the LCM. So when you will take the LCM, student, the LCM of a square and b, you will get a square b. A square get divided with a square, you will left with b, and b will get multiplied to this term. On multiplying, you will get b. You can write here b into a square minus b square plus by plus b cancelled out, a square is left, so a square into y. Here we are having 2. Clear? Now we will solve it. On solving, what we will get? We will get a square b minus b cube plus b square y plus a square y equal to, just cross multiply it, 2a square b. Clear? I hope it's clear to you. Now just leave these two terms in the LHS and interchange these two terms to your RHS and take y in common in these both of them. So y equal to, you can have a square plus b square. Here 2a square b. This will come a square minus b, and it will be plus b cube. Okay. Now see, y equal to a square plus b square. These are the like terms. For this we can have a square b plus b cube. Y a square plus b square. Take beta b common. You will have a square plus b square. The values get cancelled out. Therefore y equal to b. Since we have obtained the value of y as a p, now put this value of y in either of the equation, you can obtain the value of x. So putting value of y in equation 2. Equation 2 is x by a plus y by b equal to 2. X by a, at the place of y, just put substitute the b equal to 2. B will get cancelled out. 1. X by a equal to 2 minus 1. X by a equal to 1. Therefore, the term will get cross multiplied and you will get x equal to 1. Finally, we have obtained x equal to a and y equal to b. Just on observing what we get, student, we have obtained the same value. Using the elimination also we have obtained the value of x and y as a and b, and even though we have gone through the substitution method also, we have obtained the value of x and y as a and b. So not protocol are not are different, process are different, the way of solving is different, but finally the resultant value are the same. So for that what we need to focus, follow up the proper steps to get our solution. Okay, so for that, student, now we have learned about the three topics of solution: graphical solution, elimination solution, and substitution solution. I hope the substitution is very easy to understand as compared to the elimination, as the literal terms were given in this question. The question in which the numerical data, numerical value is given, that will be easier to solve. So it's my humble request to all of you that definitely go through your textbook, definitely solve your questions using all the methods. And whatever the question, whatever the doubt you get, you can concern me, you can ask me in the inbox, or you can give me the suggestion that how could I help you more to guide you much better. Okay, till then, take care, bye bye, have a good day and focus to your study. Okay, thank you.